Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I am here to deliver a speech about education. It is usually a belief that education is the foundation for all-rounded development. Life is based on development and that developing and growing is life. If we describe this view into the perspective of education, we can sum that education is all-round development of the individual's personality. Thus, education is nothing but all-round development of the individual's personality. Education is a process of man-making. Hence, education is necessary for all. Dear audience, education is an essential aspect of human development. Education is a means of achieving a world of peace, justice, freedom, and equality for all. No good life is possible without education. It endorses the intelligence of human beings, develops his skill, and enables him to be industrious. It ensures his progress. Education also channelizes the undeveloped capacities, attitude, interest, urges, and needs of the individual into desirable channels. Dear students, education is a procedure of learning where knowledge, skills, and habits more from one generation to the other. If we talk about the importance of education in our daily life, we have to admit that it improves our personal lives and helps in running the society smoothly by protecting everyone, including ourselves, from the harmful and unexpected events. Thus, in the end, we find that education is a significant factor for achievement, success, building characters, and for living a wholesome and happy life. True education always humanizes the person. Thanks.